We have had very serious sightings, but I'm happy to report that we've been able to contain and manage the security situation of this region. Our security teams have been able to counter a number of attempts. We don't, in most cases, bring this to the limelight or to the public attention, but we are aware we've been able to contain the security situation in this region because of the security officers, because of the chiefs and assistant chiefs, and we are getting a lot of intelligence that have helped us contain the security situation. Chiefs and assistant chiefs are very critical in terms of security management because they are the eyes of the government. At the sub-locational level, the chief has the capacity to know each and every individual residing in his area of jurisdiction. And therefore, any criminal activity taking place at the sub-locational level should be detected about security issues. Security issues affect development, it affects education. So we must secure this region, we must secure this, these sub-counties, so that our teachers can be able to go about their businesses without looking at their back. I am aware that this area being an area bordering the neighboring country, we have the porous borders from border post 1 to border post 26 down towards the Boni Forest. The region has remained calm because of, one, the collaboration between the security agencies and the leadership of this region. We are working very closely with the political leaders of this region. We are working very closely with the members of the public in this region.